In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sub-accounts in the chart of accounts in Zoho Books. This is your comprehensive guide for 2025, designed to make managing your financial data more efficient and organized. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already. This will help ensure you can follow along easily as we move through the steps. Now on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Accountant. Click on it. This section of Zoho Books is specifically designed for managing your finances, and it's the go-to spot for tackling tasks like creating accounts or managing existing ones. Once you've clicked on Accountant, look for the Chart of Accounts option. This is where all your financial accounts are listed. Click on it to access the complete list of accounts you already have set up. If you're managing complex finances, having a well-organized chart of accounts is crucial, and sub-accounts play a big role in maintaining that organization. Next, you'll want to add a new account. Look for the New button, usually located towards the top right corner. Clicking this brings up a form where you can input the details for your new account. At the top of this form, there's an account type field. Click on it. This drop-down menu allows you to specify what kind of account you're creating. After you've clicked to open the menu, find Other Current Liability and select it. This is crucial for ensuring that your new account is categorized correctly from a financial reporting perspective. Following this, the account name field is where you'll type the name of the account. You want this to be specific enough that anyone looking at your books understands its purpose immediately. After naming your account, you need to assign it a parent account. Do this by clicking on Parent Account and then selecting Select an Account. From the options available, choose Employee Reimbursements or whichever parent account fits your new account type best. Assigning a parent account helps in grouping similar accounts together, making navigation and reporting more straightforward. Next is the account code and description. Both are optional, but adding an account code can help with tracking, and a description can provide clarity if your account name isn't self-explanatory. Finally, once you have everything filled out, double-check your information for accuracy. When you're ready, click on Save to add your new sub-account to the chart of accounts. Saving ensures your changes are stored and are immediately available for any future financial management tasks. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating sub-accounts in Zoho Books. With this structure in place, your financial management within Zoho Books should become more efficient and organized, setting you up for smoother financial reporting and transparency. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.